In this video, I'll guide you through how to find the Moomoo Cash Coupon. Whether you're a seasoned Moomoo app user or just getting started, knowing how to easily locate your cash coupons can enhance your trading experience and potentially save you some money. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open the Moomoo app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best performance and to ensure all features are available. Once the app is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to it. The app is designed to be user-friendly, with everything you need right at your fingertips. Now, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the app. You'll see an icon labeled Me. Go ahead and tap on it. This section is essentially your personal hub within the app, where you can manage your account settings, view your profile, and access various features tailored just for you. It's a good idea to explore this area if you haven't already, as it holds many useful tools and information. Once you've tapped on the Me icon, you'll be taken to a new screen. Here, you'll want to look for the option labeled Coupons. Tap on Coupons to proceed. This will take you to a dedicated section where all your available cash coupons are displayed. These coupons can be a great way to enhance your trading experience, offering discounts or bonuses that can be applied to your transactions. And that's it! You've successfully found your Moomoo cash coupons. Now that you know where to find them, you can regularly check this section to stay updated on any new offers or deals that may come your way. Remember, utilizing these coupons effectively can help you maximize your savings and get the most out of your trading activities. I hope this quick guide has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the help section within the app or reach out to Moomoo's customer support. They're always ready to assist you with any queries you may have. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to find your Moomoo cash coupons. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy trading, and see you next time.